again, with this high harmony, you could lay out on the verses and then just kind of sing the chorus and maybe that Jesus section at the end. But I'm going to go ahead and sing the verses because why not? And if you decide not to do it live, then that's great.
This is the word here in the flesh, living among the meek and lowly. The voice of God is every breath, salvation of the world unfolding. And behold him, lift up your eyes, see the Son of heaven. Hosanna, Hosanna, pour out your praise, sing the name of Jesus. This is his heart upon the cross, and from his wounds his mercies flowing, and from the dawn and put death to death, and ever since that grave's been empty. And behold him, lift up your eyes, see the Son of heaven. And Hosanna, Hosanna, pour out your praise, sing the name of Jesus. And behold him, lift up your eyes, see the Son of heaven. And Hosanna, Hosanna, pour out your praise, sing the name of Jesus. Oh, sing his name, we love your name.
Be good to lay out here. Let it be a real broken down, intimate moment.
This is his home, here in our chest, at every door our Savior's knocking. Oh, let him in, oh, let him out, with every yes his kingdom's coming. The sound of every saint rejoicing. Oh, Jesus Christ, the hope of glory. Behold him, lift up your eyes,
Howdy, feller. Hey, these little tutorial videos that I did on Son of Heaven for the low harmony and the high harmony, man, they're not perfect, but I really do hope that they help set you in the right direction, help give you a great idea of at least what you could do. And anyway, I really hope this helps. I want to remind you of this fact that you have a gift. I love what it says in 1 Peter 4, that all of us have been given gifts from God, and it's our responsibility to be good stewards of those gifts and to share them with other people. God doesn't give us things so that we can hoard it for ourselves. He gives us things so that we can then share it with other people. Amen. So you have a gift. Share it today.